Hey guys, Dave the Watchman here, coming at you with another watch review video, and I hope you guys are all having a great day wherever you are. Today I do have a Seiko watch that I'm going to review, and I love my Seiko watch. As you know, I'm a big fan of Seiko, and I do have a nice Seiko watch here that I'm going to open up in just a second. But before I get started, I do want to shout out to all of my current subscribers. Like always, you guys are awesome. I do appreciate all of your thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, leaving comments, and just your general interaction with the channel, as it always does help out. If you are new to this channel, I am Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you to the channel, I would definitely appreciate it if you headed on over to Dave the Shoeman on YouTube, where I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to your footwear either. So without further ado, let's get in and check out this watch. You guys know I'm a big fan of these Seiko watches. Seiko is a great quality watch. They do kind of bump up out of the budget-friendly price range just a little bit, but it still keeps the watches pretty affordable. So Seiko is a really great brand. It does come with the download for the instruction manual, and it does have warranty and instructions here also with your warranty card in the back of the instruction and warranty manual. So definitely I want to keep those things. It comes with a very basic cardboard case. Now this is the Seiko Sports SKX. It's the SRPK 31K1 automatic with the day-date format. This has a smaller diameter dial on it. Let's take a really close look at this thing. Okay. Well, once again, I really do like these Seiko watches, but this one's just kind of small. Very small for my wrist. I mean, this is it's even smaller than this blue one that I have on here. It does have that wonderful exhibition case in the back. I do really like that. This is definitely a great quality watch. I just wish it were a little bit bigger, maybe something in a 44, 43 or a 44 millimeter size case. Very tight bezel, no movement or play whatsoever. Very, very tight, very nice. It is an automatic. It's got the Seiko automatic movement with the day-date format. I think that's the NH36A movement in this. Might be wrong about that. If you do have any information on that, just let me know. I think it's the NH36 movement in this thing. Does have the day-date format with the Hardlex crystal stainless steel case. 41 hours of power reserve on this thing. Not sure what the water resistance is on it though. It didn't have any of that listed in the description. Let's see here. What do we got? Let's see. Anything on the back? Water resistant to 10 bar. Okay, so it's water resistant to 10. Not really a dive watch. Basic water sports. Maybe getting it wet. Not too water resistant at 10 bar. Very nice watch all around though. Really nice look to it. I love the sunken dial on that, where it's got the indices up on the edge as well. It's got that deep dish look to it. Let's check out the lume on this thing as I hold it up to the light here for just a second. And oh guys, that lume is beautiful. It's so bright. This is the Lume Bright brand lume. Very, very nice illumination capability on this watch. That's just amazing. I just held it up there for just a second. Can you imagine what this would look like you know, in the sunlight if you came in. I mean, that looks like it's battery powered. That's a very, very nicely illuminated watch. Like I said before, very great quality on these Seiko watches. They're nice. It's just a good quality band. It's got the deployment clasp with the push button on the side, stamped stainless steel. Really nice quality watch. Just a little bit too small for me, but it might be good for you. So I will post a link to this in the description below so you guys can head on over and check this out and have it on your wrist probably within a couple of days. Amazon ships this out pretty quickly. Like I said before in all my other videos, that is an affiliate link. It does not cost you anything to use it, but it does send a commission over to me if you do decide to purchase this watch using that link, and that is very much appreciated. So once again, it's the Seiko Seiko 5 Sports SKX. With the model number is SRPK31K1, automatic, day-date format, Lume Bright Lume, Hardlex crystal, 41 hours of power reserve, and water resistant up to 10 bar. Everything works very well. You can see me changing the days there. It's got the days in different languages, and it's got, you reverse it the other way and you can change the date. So day-date format, everything moves nice and fluid and smooth, just like you'd expect from a Seiko. Very wonderful, smooth, sweeping second hand. Just a beautiful, beautifully running watch. I do believe they had this available in a couple of different other colors, but you'd have to check out the listing just to double check me on that. But once again, can't go wrong with a Seiko. This watch right now on Amazon is somewhere around the neighborhood of 250, 260 bucks. So if you are looking for a great Seiko watch and this is your size, definitely head on over. Use that affiliate link, head on over and pick one of these guys up before the price does change on it. So once again, Seiko 5 Sports SKX SRPK 31K1 automatic watch. Very, very nice looking watch. Nice dive bezel. Very good illumination capability. That is probably its best feature that I would say is just that illumination is just freaking amazing. So anyway, like I said before, I'm Dave the Watchman. I review budget-friendly watches for the everyman because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune. And if you do like that concept, I would definitely appreciate that thumbs up, liking, and subscribing, as it always does help out the channel, especially if you want to see more watches and watch review videos, because that's what I do here at Dave the Watchman on YouTube. And if men's fashion is what brought you over to my channel, be sure to check out Dave the Shoe Man on YouTube, where I also review budget-friendly shoes for the everyman, because I don't believe that you should have to spend a fortune to look like you have a fortune when it comes to your footwear either. So till next time, I will see you guys all in the next watch review video, unless you're over on the other side, and I'll see you guys all in the next shoe review video. Thank you guys all so much, and I hope you all have a great day and a great weekend.